Have you ever wondered about the best places and seasons for salmon and trout fishing in Sweden? A land of scenic beauty, lush forests, and pristine rivers, Sweden is a paradise for fishing enthusiasts. It's an adventure that's not just about the catch, but the thrill of the chase, the connection with nature, and the stories that come along with it. So, are you ready to embark on a journey exploring this captivating world of fishing? Well, wonder no more as we delve into the world of Swedish fishing. Sweden, the land of the midnight sun, is a paradise for fishing enthusiasts. Imagine casting your line into the rushing waters of Sweden's powerful rivers, where the current pulls with a force that can only be matched by the fight of a feisty salmon. Or perhaps you'd prefer the calmness of a serene lake, where the surface mirrors the surrounding nature, and where trout thrive in cool, clear depths. Sweden's fishing landscape is as diverse as the fish that inhabit it. From the Baltic Sea to the Arctic Circle, there are countless fishing spots teeming with salmon and trout. The summer months, when the sun barely sets, are particularly fruitful. But let's not forget the winter season. Ice fishing, a beloved Swedish tradition, offers a different yet equally thrilling experience. This variety of fishing landscapes makes Sweden a must-visit destination for every fishing enthusiast. Imagine standing by a roaring Swedish river, your heart pounding as you feel the tug of a mighty salmon on your line. This is not a far-fetched dream, but a vivid reality in the heart of Sweden, home to some of the world's most coveted salmon fishing spots. One such spot is the Morum River, known far and wide for its abundant salmon. Here, the river's rippling waters are a veritable playground for these magnificent fish, offering a thrilling challenge for any angler. Venture further north and you'll find the Torn River. Its icy depths, fed by glacial melt, are a haven for salmon, attracting fishing enthusiasts from around the globe. Between the months of June and September, these rivers become a bustling hub of activity as the salmon fishing season kicks into high gear. Anglers, armed with their fishing gear, flock to these rivers, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. With its rich salmon populations, Sweden offers an unparalleled experience for salmon fishing. But it's not just about the salmon. Sweden also offers exceptional trout fishing experiences. And when we talk about trout fishing in Sweden, two spots often steal the show: Lake Vättern and the Kaitum River. Lake Vättern, the second largest lake in Sweden, is a dream come true for trout enthusiasts. It's not just the quantity, but the quality of trout that makes this lake a favorite among anglers. With its crystal clear waters and stunning surroundings, it's more than just a fishing trip. Then there's the Kaitum River, a paradise for fly fishing lovers. Here in the heart of Swedish Lapland, the river flows freely, teeming with trout ready to test your skills. But timing is key. The prime trout fishing season typically runs from March to October. During these months, the trout are most active and the chances of a big catch are highest. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, trout fishing in Sweden is an adventure you won't want to miss. Now, armed with the knowledge of the best places and seasons for salmon and trout fishing in Sweden, your next fishing trip is sure to be a hit. Remember, the enchanting rivers of the north are teeming with salmon in the summer, while the tranquil lakes of the south offer trout aplenty in the autumn. Each location, each season, holds a unique fishing experience in Sweden's diverse waterscape. So grab your fishing gear and let Sweden's waters reveal their secrets to you.